guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing this with you because I recently ordered a hairpiece from So Good Shop and I got it yesterday. Yes, I got it yesterday and I filmed this video yesterday, but it actually came out really bad, so I was like, let me just do it again. The sun is out looking nice, but I bought a half wig. This is what it looks like. I already opened it, I already played with it, I already took pictures to see what it would look like. I'm gonna put those in there. Get out of the way. This is what it looks like. It's not too long. It's like, I'm just gonna put it like this. Okay, it goes like to my shoulders. It probably goes like to right here. Kind of already combed through it just to make it look more natural. It looked really wiggy yesterday when I wasn't really messing with it. But like I said, I got this from So Good Shop. Are you coming back in? Their website is really easy. I actually heard of them from K & Kosh. I saw their video about half wigs under $20 and this looks really natural. And I can't wait to put the pictures in because it still has this little thing in the tag. I never took it out. Got lazy. Oh, look. Oh, look at the sun. Oh, gosh. All right, but it's really easy to put in. It has clips to clip it in. And my hair color is a number 4. On the website, the actual hair piece or whatever, the number 4 looked really orange and I wasn't sure about whether I should get that, so I was like kind of debating. But then once I got it and I opened it, I looked at it, I was like, okay, this is my hair color. I'm happy. It just kind of misled me a bit, but no bad things about So Good Shop. Their website's really easy to use. I ordered my hair Sunday and I got it on Thursday. This is not sponsored. It's not sponsored at all. I'm just showing you. I'm just sharing my love. I can't wait to wear this. Like, I want to get dressed, to get pretty and go somewhere now. It's just really, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on so I can show you what it looks like. This is kind of what it looks like. And see, it goes right, let me stand up. Goes to about right here. It looks good. It looks good. I like it. I'm really feeling myself. I just love it. It's so soft and it doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like that nasty. The hair store, it smelled, the weave, some of the wigs smelled really gross. This doesn't smell like that. It's soft. It looks natural. It looks good. I feel good. I should have worn this today. Would have worn my outfit. I'm gonna just stand up and show you guys my outfit because I did kind of look good today. You know, I try from time to time. Ooh. Cornell. Cornell is my dream college and I would like die to go there. Anyway, my hair is currently, my real hair is in Bantu knots, and I think if I did like a tighter curl, it would kind of match more my hair. My hair would match more with this hair. But it looks really freaking good. I need to go take some pictures. I need a photographer. I need a really good photographer. Because really, not a lot of people here that I know are good photographers. I need a good photographer. But anyway, that's it with the video. Just glad that I got to show. I will put the link of this hair in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys liked it. I really like it. I can't wait to go out, look cute. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day. Oh, I'm really feeling myself. All right, peace.